Today topic is equivalent weight of elements. We write equivalent weight of elements. We write equivalent weight of element. The formula is equivalent weight of element. We write a small letter or we write element. Here we write atomic weight of an element upon valency. Atomic weight of an element upon valency. We write question. Calculate atomic weight of an elements. First question is sodium. This indicate atomic weight of sodium. First of all, we write atomic weight of sodium. We write atomic weight of Na. In short, 23. Valency of sodium is 1. Equivalent weight of sodium is what? This indicate equivalent weight. This indicate atomic weight. We write formula in short. E element is equal to short indicate atomic weight upon valency. We write atomic weight in short. Here we write E sodium is equal to atomic weight of sodium is 23. Valency of sodium is 1 is equal to 23. Second question is calcium. First of all, we write atomic weight of calcium. We write atomic weight of calcium is 20. Valency of calcium is 2. Equivalent weight of calcium is what? We write formula equivalent weight of element is equal to atomic weight upon valency. Here we write E and Ca. Atomic weight of calcium is, here we write 40, it is mistake, 40 upon 2 is equal to 20. Now we write HW Mg O Cl. These are HW. Next topic is variable equivalent weight of element. We write note variable equivalent weight of element. The elements which show variable valency can explain variable equivalent weight. First question is CuO and second question is Cu2O. This compound is called cupric oxide. This compound is called cuprous oxide. It is copper. It is copper. In CuO, this copper is called cupric and this copper is called cuprous. First of all, we write atomic weight of Cu 63.5. Valency of Cu is equal to 2. In cupric oxide, valency of copper is 2. This valency right here, this valency right here, Cu2O2, 2 common out. Therefore, valency of Cu in cupric oxide is 2. Equivalent weight of Cu2 is equal to what? Formula is E element is equal to atomic weight upon valency. Atomic weight of copper is 63.5 and valency is 2. We write here 3175. In cupric oxide, equivalent weight of copper is 31.7. Here we write ECU. Clear? In cuprous oxide, atomic weight of Cu is 63.5. Valency of Cu is equal to 2. In cuprous oxide, valency of copper is 1. Here 1 is not right, therefore we write 1. Equivalent weight of Cu is equal to what? We write formula. Equivalent weight of element is equal to atomic weight upon valency. Here we write ECU. Here we write 63.5 upon 1 is equal to 63.5. In the question, equivalent weight of copper different in different compound. In cupric oxide, equivalent weight of copper is 31.75. In cuprous oxide, equivalent weight of copper is 63.5. We write HW FeO. It is called ferrous oxide. In ferrous oxide, valency of iron is 2. In ferric oxide, valency of iron is 3. In ferrous oxide, we write 55.5 upon 2. In Fe2O3, we write equivalent weight of Fe is equal to 55.5 upon 3. Here we write 2. Atomic weight write same, but valency write difference. In ferric oxide, valency is 2. We divide 2 in atomic weight. Here we divide atomic weight by 3. Now we take the element which show variable valency, show variable equivalent weight. Next,